Hi everybody, I am Dr. Brandi Maynard. Please call me Brandi. My students affectionately refer to me as Dr. B. I am so excited that you are considering coming alongside me on this journey within the Infinite Unity Gifted community. We have two communities, one community for parents and one community for students. These are isolating times. And in talking with parents, I originally thought when I started this community, my husband said, Brandi, what do you want to do? How do you want to spend your time? And I wanted more than anything to do what I do best, which is sitting back with a cup of tea and having conversations with moms about their gifted kids. And in doing that and having some of those conversations, what moms were telling me was, I really need to find intellectual peers for my children. I need a community, a safe, vetted space that my kids can come in and they can meet other kids who are like them, because iron sharpens iron. And that's when I decided that I was going to start an Infinite Unity Gifted community for gifted scholars. And as an aside, also a community for their parents as well. An interactive community where they can come together and just be themselves and learn how to be a good friend. And so when I wrote my dissertation was all about servant leadership. It was grounded in servant leadership. That's what my PhD is in. And so I am going to teach students servant leadership techniques under the guise of a cookie chat. We're going to meet together twice a week in a live online environment where we're going to eat cookies together. We're going to read really good children's books, and we're going to learn the 10 different characteristics of servant leadership, how they can build community, become more empathetic, how they can become a good listener and listen with their eyes, not only with their ears, and all of the other characteristics that will make them a better friend. And then to give them a space where they can have those friendships and nurture those friendships in a place that is facilitated by a specialist such as myself, who has a background and training in gifted and talented education. So I'm so excited that you're here on this journey. The time is now. I'm the host. I've been working with gifted kids since 1997, doing it online since 2002, and I'm really excited that you'll be joining me. So over the next several videos, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the site, share with you what you can expect, and then you can make the decision if you would like to join us, which I hope that you do.